November classes. In today's video lecture, we will discuss multiple choice question from ISS exam year 2017 paper 1 set A. Question number 34. Given that x, y and z equals to x plus 2y are variables such that variance of x equals to 4, variance of y equals to 3 and variance of z equals to 4. Consider the following statements in respect of above information. First, the covariance between x and y is -3. The correlation between x and y is -√3/2. The regression coefficient y on x is -3/4. The covariance between x and y is -2. Which of the above statements are correct? And here 4 options are given. In this example, what is given? That first of all we will write down. Here 3 variables are defined: x, y and z is defined in terms of x and y, so it is x plus 2y. And another thing is given: variance of x equals to 4, variance of y equals to 3 and variance of z equals to 4. Okay, this information is given. Now let's check all the statements one by one. First statement, we want to check covariance between x and y is -3. Okay, how we can check that? So here we know z variable is defined as x plus 2y. So let's write down z equals to x plus 2y. Let's take variance on both the sides. So variance of z equals to variance of x plus 2y. Okay. Now here we know that variance of ax plus by is what? A square into variance of x plus b square into variance of y plus 2 times ab covariance of xy. Now the same we can expand. It will be variance of x plus 4 times variance of y plus 2 into this 2. So we will get again 4 times covariance of xy, right? Now we know all these values, so let's put that. Variance of z is 4 equals to variance of x is also 4 plus 4 into variance of y is 3 plus 4 into covariance of xy we want to find out. So it will be 4 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 4 16. That if we will take here, it will be -16 by 4 equals to covariance of xy. So we will get here covariance of xy equals to -3. Right? So first statement is correct. Here we wanted to check covariance of xy equals to -3. Now similarly we will check the second statement. Second statement is correlation between x and y is -√3/2. So here correlation are x, y equals to -√3/2. Okay. So that now we know the covariance. Variances are given. We can easily calculate correlation. So r xy equals to covariance of xy upon square root of variance of x into square root of variance of y. Covariance of xy just now we have calculated, it is -3 divided by variance of x is 4, so it will be square root of 4. Square root of variance of y means 3. Same we can write down as -√3 into √3 divided by square root of 4 will be 2 √3. This √3 will get cancelled and we will get here -√3/2. So our second statement is also correct. Right? Now the third statement. The regression coefficient y on x. First of all, how we denote regression coefficient? It is denoted as byx. And two ways we can calculate here byx. Formula is covariance of xy upon sigma x square. This is first formula. Or if we know we can express covariance in terms of a correlation. So it will be r into sigma y by sigma x. Any one of these two you can use. Now here we will go with this formula. So here covariance of xy we have calculated, it is minus 3. Sigma x square means variance of x, it is given, it is 4, right? So byx equals to minus 3 by 4. So our third statement is also correct. Okay. Now the last one is covariance between x and z is minus 2. So let's check x and z is minus 2 or not. So how we can do that? Let's put the value of z here. Covariance of x. Z is defined as x plus 2y. X plus 2y. Let's expand it. We will get covariance of xx plus covariance of x 2y. How we have written this? So we know the formula. Covariance of x plus yz is nothing but covariance of xz plus covariance of yz. So using this we have written this. Now covariance of xx means what? It is variance of x, right? Plus covariance of ax by is ab covariance of xy. Okay. So now this formula we will use and we will get here 2 times covariance of xy. Okay. Now let's put the value. Variance of x is 4 plus 2 times covariance of xy is minus 3. So it is minus 6 plus 4. So minus 2. We are getting covariance of x plus 2y equals to minus 2. So fourth statement is also correct. So here given all the 4 statements are correct. So correct option is option D. In option D they said 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. For more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.